Now we will discuss about chemical property of metal and non-metal. First is reaction with oxygen. On burning, metal react with oxygen to produce metal oxide, which are basic in nature. Non-metal are react with oxygen to produce non-metallic oxide, which are acidic in nature. Second one is reaction with water. Some metal react with water to produce metal hydroxides and hydrogen gas. Generally, non-metal do not react with water. Sodium and potassium are very reactive metal. So these are stored in kerosene oil. Because these metals are very reactive, they react vigorously with moisture and air. A lot of heat is generated in the reaction. They are therefore stored in kerosene. It means to prevent catches fire. Sodium and potassium stored in kerosene oil. Next is reaction with acids. Metal react with acid and produce metal salts and hydrogen gas. Generally, non-metal do not react with acid. Metal react with acid, so any sour pickle, any pickles cannot stored in metallic object, because lemon pickle, any sour pickle contain acid which can react with metal, liberating hydrogen gas. This can lead to spoiling the pickles and become toxic. It harmful if anyone take it. Metal show displacement reaction, a reaction in which an element of a compound is displaced by other more reactive element is called displacement reaction. Such reaction usually take place in solution. This is a chemical reaction of displacement reaction. It's a iron. It's a solution of copper sulfate. Iron is more reactive. Copper sulfate solution is blue in color. When iron react with copper sulfate solution, iron displaces the copper from the copper sulfate solution and from the copper. It's a light green colored solution. Copper is a less reactive. Iron is a more reactive. So copper is displaced by the iron. It's a displacement reaction. Reaction with bases. Some metal react with bases to produce hydrogen gas. Now we will discuss about uses of metals and non-metals. Uses of metals. Metals are used in making machinery, automobiles, aeroplanes, trains, satellites, industrial gases, cooking utensils, water boilers, etc. Next, uses of non-metal. Non-metal is essential for our life, which all living beings inhale during breathing. Non-metals used in fertilizer to enhance the growth of plants. Non-metal used in water purification process. Non-metal used in the purple colored solution which is applied on wound as an antiseptic. Non-metal used in crackers. You may add some more uses of metal and non-metal from your experiences. This chapter is completed. take care, uh,